in common.
Ariko nakubeshye ndakeka nyine hari ikintu kimwe duhuriyeho.
That's so.
Nkikihe?
We're both widows.
Twembi turabapfakazi twabuze abagabo. Hanyuma
I understand the loneliness and what you're going through.
muri make irungu urimo uracamo ndarizi naye ndibamo muri make ndakumva ubuzima ubayemo.
You know what it feels like to lose someone you care about and love so much.
Nibyo ndimo ndavuga uzi ukuntu bimera kuba wabura umuntu ukunda kandi witaho cyane.
I do.
Ndabizi nabuze umugabo.
Let's cut the crap.
Ase wavugije ukuri ushaka iki?
You're from work, right?
Ndabizi hano kubw'umwungu wawe sibyo?
You save your little boy from me.
Bivuze ngo usa nkaho waza ngwana no kugira ngo ucungure umuhungu wawe umujyana kure yanjye.
Mommy to the rescue.
Mama waje gucungura umwana waje kumutabara.
Excuse me?
Ngo iki?
You're pathetic.
Mugore uri umusazi nkubwiza ukuri. Umujyana bugira yiturije.
Excuse me?
Ngo iki?
You're pathetic.
You're pathetic uri umusazi pe. Singweye. Ntabwo uri muzima.
Tanya would die.
Tanya taha.
Excuse me.
Turaberetse gatoretse. Unahe.
We are not done here.
Ntabwo biyarangira gute
I
sunyirukana.
want to see my son. Get him right now.
Ndashaka kubona umwana wanjye muzaniye nonaha.
I don't like you.
Wa mugore we ntabwo ngukunda.
I don't like you one bit, Tanya.
Yewe Tanya ndakwanga byumvikana.
You're a self-righteous, condescending bitch
Uri karashika yinjira mu buzima bw'abantu yashaka kubabangamira.
who's afraid of letting her son grow up simply because she's
Uri umugore ushaka ko umwana yakura.
afraid of being alone.
Kandi uri umugore utinya kuba yaba wenyine.
No idea what you're talking about.
Ndavuga nabyuze. Nabyonze se.
Mark is my son.
Maka n'umwana wanjye.
I'm his mother.
Mama we ngomba kumucungira umutekano.
Don't please spare me the sentimental family bond.
Ndashaka umugore ugabanyizo santima zawe za famiye.
Crap.
Uno mubano ufitanye hagati yawe n'umwana urumva.
I came here to make amends.
Umva ntabwo naje gusabiriza urumva.
Clearly, that was a mistake.
Muri make ushaka byara amakosa kubana n'umwana ngo reka umwana wanjye atahe.
Mark's not an idiot.
Maka umwana wanjye ntabwo ari injiji.
You know, in a couple of weeks, he's gonna toss you aside and then
Kandi nguzwe ntabwo muri umara n'ibyumweru binga umwana wanjye arahita guta.
you'll be all alone.
Hanyuma uzaba uri wenyine.
Possibly.
Nibikunda.
Or, more likely,
Bitabaye ibyo rero.
after a month of me screwing his
Ungambwira no nkubwira kandi kantu.
brains out
Umwana wawe tugiye kumara n'ukwezi kumwe.
day and night, I'll be able to
Ndaje amajoro n'amanywa ndaje mwice mu mutwe.
convince him to do anything I want.
Muri make ndashaka umwana we mwangize mu mutwe ahazajya akora ibyo mvuze gusa.
Including cutting you out of his life for good.
Kandi ikintu uzamusaba cya mbere no kugukura mu buzima bwe. Zana imigati tuzaniye urakoze kandi ugira umunsi mwiza. So vuze ngo n'ibyumweru bibiri tugatandukana njye mu kwezi kumwe.